Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power and confirming 0 volts with a multimeter. This prevents sparks and damage. Once safe, test the lock supply at the controller and at the lock body to locate the fault point. Check connectors for corrosion and pull gently on wires to see if any are loose. That tells you whether the issue is electrical or mechanical. Make sure to have replacement solenoids or catch plates ready so you can swap parts immediately if needed. Once done with initial tests, remove covers to access the actuator and solenoid, keeping screws labeled so reassembly is simple. Measure coil resistance and switch continuity. Abnormal values point to a burned coil or open circuit. While the cover is off, operate the lock manually to observe binding or misalignment, because mechanical friction often mimics electrical failure. If the strike plate or latch is out of alignment, correct that first before replacing electrical parts to avoid repeating the problem. You now install the replacement component using correct crimps and dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion and resecure mechanical parts to factory torque. Restore power and run multiple lock/unlock cycles while watching current draw and listening for abnormal noises. This confirms both electrical and mechanical correction. If problems persist, make sure voltage is steady and grounds are solid, and if applicable, update or reset the controller firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.